Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today we will discuss about what do you mean by centroid of a triangle. Children, what do you mean by centroid? This is a triangle A, B, C. A triangle is a closed figure made up of three line segments. Can you say me? Let us say the midpoint of BC is D and midpoint of AC is E and midpoint of AB is F, children. Okay, here D is midpoint of BC, E is midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. Now let us join AD. Children, what do you mean by AD is here? Here AD is called median. What do you mean by median? A line segment joining vertex to midpoint of its opposite side is called its median. A line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of its opposite side is called median. So here AD is median, children. And what about B? B is also called second median and CF is called third median. So that is from vertex B to midpoint of AC, that is E. Vertex C to midpoint of AB, that is F. So a triangle at most 3 medians, right? Now our concept is centroid of a triangle. What do you mean by centroid? The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle is known as centroid. So this is the point where all the medians are going to be meet, and this point is called as centroid. So centroid, it is going to be represented by the letter G. So G is the centroid. I mean the point of concurrence of the medians of a triangle is known as centroid of a triangle. So centroid G divides a median in the ratio 2:1, children. So for example, let the ratio of AG is 2, then what about GD? 1. Centroid divides a median into the ratio 2:1. Children, let the vertex of A is x1, y1 and the vertex of B is x2, y2 and the vertex of C is x3, y3. Now, how to find centroid G? Centroid G is equal to, the formula is G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for centroid. Centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. For example, find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 3, -5 and -7, 4 and 10, -2. Now we need to find the centroid of a triangle. See children, given vertices are 3 and -5, -7 and 4 and 10 and -2. So let us find centroid G is equal to, what is x1, children? x1 is equal to 3 plus x2 is equal to -7 plus x3 is equal to 10 by 3, comma y1 is equal to -5 plus y2 is equal to 4 plus y3 equal to -2 divided by 3. right? Now as 3 plus 10, 13, 13 minus 7, 6 by 3, comma, minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7, minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3 by 3. So I mean 3 table, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, again 3 table, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. So centroid G is equal to 2 comma minus 1. So in this way we can find centroid of a triangle. So what is the definition of centroid? The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle is known as centroid of a triangle. It is denoted by the letter G, children. And the most important point is here, centroid will divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Now let us see the midpoint of a line segment. Let us see midpoint of a line segment. Midpoint of a line segment. So children, what do you mean by a line segment? So consider this is a point A and this is the point B. Okay. When a line segment is obtained by joining two endpoints. If I join these two endpoints, I will get a line segment. And in the plane, the order pair of point A is, let us suppose that is x1 comma y1, and point B is x2 comma y2. Now our concept is how to find midpoint of a line segment. So this is the midpoint P whose coordinates are x comma y. Then how to find midpoint of a line segment AB, that is P of x comma y is equal to, we have the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. For finding midpoint of a line segment, we have the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, for example, the coordinates of point A is minus 5 comma 5 and the coordinates of B is 5 comma minus 5. Then how to find midpoint of line segment AB? That is P of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. I mean x1 in the sense minus 5, x2 in the sense plus 5. I mean minus 5 plus 5 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here y1 value is 5 and y2 value is minus 5 by 2. So children, minus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 0 by 2. 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0 by 2. Right? 0 by 2 in the sense 0. 0 by 2 in the sense 0. So what is the midpoint of line segment P of x comma y? That is 0 comma 0. In this way we can find centroid of a triangle and midpoint of a line segment.